I think it's a time we should start with the discussion. Welcome to Satyanarayana, today's resource person and a very, very proud uh, personality of the Hubli, I can say. Mr. Satyanarayana, am I audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm just wanted
Audible,
to,
sir.
yeah. I'm just checking out with Satyanarayana. I will just check it out. Do I need to unmute him or something like that?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I think I'm audible to you, sir.
Yeah, Satyanarayana. Very well, very
Yes,
well.
sir.
Yeah, shall we
Yes, sir.
start?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. So, as it is, GBS is known for a set of series of education towards talks or maybe knowledge full of discussions which happens used to be happen in the classroom, but due to some
Mhm.
unavoidable conditions out there in the world, we are inviting the personalities into the classroom of Zoom or something like that. This is another opportunity
Mhm.
where the series, which we call it as evening talks. Today's evening talk is with Mr. Satyanarayana, the CEO and the founder of UttamDeals.com. This is one of the kind of e-commerce in this part of the world. It is born recently and doing very well, I can say. I have been observing this. I have seen the whole lot of a growth story of it, I can say. To brief a bit about how exactly this particular e-commerce is all the way, and this is going to be done by himself. This is what we had a discussion. To brief certain things about Satyanarayana, to the Satyanarayana, there are 20 odd students and the alumni out there to have this particular discussion. The whole of our discussions is
Okay.
going to be happening around advertisements online, and certainly we would like to hear something about uttamdeals.com also. Okay, and there will be a few
Yes.
queries are there which are raised to me by set of students and alumni. Okay,
Yes.
maybe
Sure, sir, sure.
yeah, please. Hello.
I think, hello, sir.
Yeah. Um, I think I think Shweta Malgi, she is out there with us. Okay. And recently pass out Sri Vidya is also there, as alumni are also there, and
Okay.
set of people are going to join very soon. So
Sure, sir,
can I
sure.
say over to you now
Sure, sir,
with the
sure.
question, if you can give the glimpse
Yes,
of Uttam Deals, the e-commerce platform which
uh,
is given to the North Karnataka and will going to grow with Karnataka and Pan India, which I say, and
mm.
maybe the consecutive questions we are going to discuss, and maybe it will be open discussion for all the students. It's over to you,
Sure, sir,
Satyanarayana.
sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure, sir. I think everyone gone through our website, uttamdeals.com. It's basically from Hubli itself. I alone have started this e-commerce platform. Before it has been started in the year 2019, December 19th. Before we were working for Plan A. The Plan A was men's apparels, women's apparels, home appliances, kitchen equipments, everything. We were running up it was started in December, and we are getting businesses from January, February, and all. So when we are doing these business, like men's apparels, women's apparels, getting tired with everyone. Suddenly, Corona occurred in the month of March. So according to the government rules and regulations, all e-commerce platforms were shut down. So sudden we have we switched our B plan into action. The B plan was into grocery. So right now we are providing grocery services in Hubli, Dharwad. Soon we are starting up into Belgaum and Shivamogga. So we are getting some tabs, manpower, things and everything. So we are doing it there. So once everything will be sorted, soon we are going to launch our services in Belgaum, Shivamogga, Mangalore. Later on, we are going to step in Bangalore. So this is how we are doing our business, like expanding our business. So it will take another 6 months to acquire entire Karnataka. After 6 months, we are going to work for Pan India. So whole like to execute all those programs, it will take around 1 year to get into Pan India or something. So according to the grocery and all, we are soon starting up with men's apparels. The plan A, what we draw out before Corona. So now we are going to implement in this coming, I think in January or something, we are going to launch it. So this is how we are doing our business.
Yes, Satya. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Maybe all the students, I am referring the resource person as Satya. What the reason I would like to tell you, he is a proud alumni. Those who are not aware of it, he was passed out from our own college and very, very proud about him. And today is the situation. This is several times he has visited. Today's again he is meeting all the students of us, okay, and the interesting part is he's going to discuss the advertisement online, because this is a daily routine for him, how exactly he does this. Now Satya, can you please put light on how what is this advertisement
Okay.
online, and then very particularly I'm going to ask you about Uttam Deals and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, when we take a name of e-commerce industry, e-commerce is like we are totally dependent on online platform like advertising or so many things. Like
True.
when it comes to advertising, we first of all we think about the Facebook and Instagram. Now that digital marketing like Facebook and Instagram are booming like anything, in the e-commerce sector as well as in advertising sector. So maximum of the business will come from Facebook and Instagram too. Like when I'm talking about the grocery sector, sector, maximum people like Facebook, age people, the one who is above the age of 30 plus, they all come in the category of Facebook or something. They use maximum of Facebook and Facebook. So our grocery will be targeted to those those age category, 30 plus category. So those 30 plus categories will get it in Facebook itself. If we want to if we are as I said, we are going to come up with the men's apparels, women's apparels, and other equipment. So there we can concentrate with the Instagram. Instagram more than 18 plus to 20, 25 plus youngsters will be there. So it will be very easy to target youngsters on Instagram. So these are the most, one second, sir. Just shall I?
Yeah, if possible. Yeah.
Sorry. As I said, like if we are going to concentrate with youngsters, most of youngsters will get it in Instagram too. So in Facebook, we get both categories like 18 plus to 28 plus youngsters, and we get more like 30 plus to we can target up to 60 plus. The one category who are into Facebook. So I can say Facebook is like a big astra for e-commerce platform. Those who wants to expand their business or those who wants to connect customers by online itself. So Facebook in creating Facebook ads, everything it's very easy now. So if you want to concentrate in only one area, like I want to take a area of Gokul Road. In Gokul Road, there are multiple areas. Like I stay in Shaktinagar, so I want to make a advertising only for Shaktinagar people. So we can do our advertising only in Shaktinagar itself through Facebook. So if you want to make advertising in Hubli itself, entire like you want to concentrate on entire area or something, you can do the same. So Facebook is like a very well-fledged platform to create advertising, connecting with the customers, getting customers from other sources and all. It's very easy for us. So instead of one-way transactions, you just ask me questions like in what sector you want to get a knowledge. Because if I start giving sessions on Facebook and all, it's a very big platform. So in which category like you want to get into? If you ask me about like basic glimpse or something, I can explain you also.
Satya, some discussions were occurred in the classroom also. Like you have a number
Uh-huh.
of products. Okay, say
Okay.
groceries are out there, dry fruits are out there, spices are. This is within the food grains. Okay, then combo products are
Mm-hmm.
also been announced in the uttamdeals.com. Now, do
True,
you
sir. True, sir.
categorize them? Let us discuss only about Facebook. I don't mind inviting you once
Uh-huh.
again. But if you can
Uh-huh.
speak only about Facebook also is okay. But how you categorize? One is you say lane marketing. I wanted to go with only Gokul Road. I wanted to go with only Vidyagiri. But how
Uh-huh.
you go about with the products? Like, is it again similarly, or is it whole lot of a product you announce it?
So, we have a combo products, and right now we are offering combo products.
True.
So, as I said, sir, we are into grocery FMCG product. It will be like daily essential products we are into. Like
True.
in combo products, we have a 25 kg rice packet, 5 kg oil, wheat or jowar or 5 kg sugar. We offer them like it's like daily consumable products, and these category of products are going to purchase by 30 plus, or the one who got married or something. 30 plus
True.
category people will use to purchase it. So
True.
what we do is, sir, if we talk about the online sector, the one
True.
who wants to purchase the online sector, we just have a categorize like
True.
in Vidyanagar, we have more than Bangaloreans.
True.
Few came from North Kannada, North India, something. They stay there. So continuously, we used to market in Vidyanagar itself.
True.
And if we talk about the online sector or something, most of people like middle and higher class people used to order through online. So we just have a database. We have data categorized in which sector people used to purchase more or purchase from more online sector or something. We just categorize there. Like we have Vidyagiri, Keshwapur, Akshay Colony, Akshay Park, Gokul Road, Shakti Nagar, Gandhi Nagar, Manjunath Nagar. In these category, in this sector, in this area,
True.
where we get more online transaction happens, we get a database over there. So through that database we design according to them, what kind of products they are going to purchase or something. So we target in such areas itself. if
Mhm.
we if we concentrate on old Hubli or such, I don't want to say these are not developed or something. In such areas, people we get low and middle class people. So in those areas, people won't purchase such kind of big amount products or something.
Okay.
So we advertise only low categorized in the sense single products,
True.
worth of minimum 100 to 500 or 600 products we used to display there. In such categories, in such areas like Vidyanagar, Keshwapur or something, we used to advertise more than 1,000 to 2,000 products and
Yeah.
introduce them like these are products we have. So in Facebook, we can using Facebook platform, we can concentrate on we get a database over there. In which area we are going to we have a huge crowd or a huge population into it. So
True.
in such areas, we used to boost the advertising 24 into 7 or something. We
True.
have like in Facebook, there is an option called as you can show advertising for 1 hour, 1 hour,
Mhm.
6 hours, or you can
Okay.
run your ad till 24 hours. So
Okay.
in such category, like wherever huge crowd, we are going to get like 30 plus category where we are going to get a huge crowd. We are going to give them maximum advertising over there.
Okay. Okay. So for this, do you need any research before understanding the locations of the Hubli and Dharwad or whatever it is? Any small research is
Yes,
required?
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Like when you are going to be in an online sector, most of people think that most of marketing happens from one place, but it's
Mm-hmm.
not possible, sir.
Okay.
We have to step out and we have to get a database. We have to like we can't go to each area and we can't get it like you purchase through online or offline. We can't do it, sir. People
Okay.
like customers won't entertain those things.
Mm-hmm.
So we get a databases like online. We can get a database like how many people in Hubli and Harvard uses online services, online shopping services, and we get a database over there. Like
Okay.
when I purchased the database, like in the year 2019, the most like I purchased for men's apparels, like apparels in the apparel sector. How many people used to order? These all things have been purchased from online sector. Like
Mm.
how many people used to purchase through online. Each and everything databases I got it from there itself.
Mm.
So according to that, I set my market into Facebook. Like I have to show these all kind of category products to customers and all. But when this COVID happened, entire thing was changed, sir. Because
Okay.
at that time we are targeting 18 plus to 29 or 30 plus,
Mm-hmm.
29 or 30.
Okay.
So in that category, we used to get like in old Hubli, we used to get a maximum customers, those who continuously getting transaction into Flipkart, Amazon, and all. So in everywhere we used to get around more than 3 to 4 lakh people who are active users on this e-commerce industry, like
Okay.
transactions happen.
Mm-hmm.
So when I came into like grocery, then I purchased a new database, which is like how many people used to shop through online. Because in Hubli Dharwad, we have like limited kind of like e-commerce sector, like in grocery sector. We
Okay.
have only two running e-commerce sector in Hubli Dharwad. One
Mm-hmm.
is shop and drop, and another one is salt and pepper. Before I came into like grocery,
Okay.
now
Okay.
we are into in grocery. We are the third person who are running our e-commerce in grocery sector. So
Mm-hmm.
so the database was not so good actually when I switched into grocery sector.
Okay.
Then what we have done 1 month, 2 month, we have done a pilot testing. Like
Mm-hmm.
how many orders we used to get it from Vidyanagar. We used to publish it in like entire Hubli and Dharwad.
Okay.
So before launching up in a Dharwad, we used to publish our ads in Hubli itself, so
Okay.
that how many people used to respond us or something, we used to get it. So maximum people used to get it from Keshwapur, Akshay Colony, Vidyanagar. In such places, we used to get a business from them. So we used to like which when right now we got a clear picture where we can do a maximum advertising, where we have to do a advertising in the category wise. Like I said, sir, we are going to get a maximum business from Vidyanagar, Akshay Colony, Keshapur. In this category, people are like a middle and higher class people, so that we can show combo products more than 2,000 or 3,000 rupees products to them, so that they can purchase it. Our product range starts from 80 90 rupees till it will go to 2,000 something, sir.
Okay.
2,700 something it will go on.
Mm-hmm.
So in such category, we used to display our advertisement in such categories in the where we are not getting the businesses like Old Hubli, CVT, Moor Sabarmat, and such small areas
Okay.
like Anandnagar and all, where there we are publishing our small type of combo products like we are like small like mom products or something. We are publishing it there.
Mm-hmm.
So they will get a addict of it, and they might switch back to some grocery or something. We are planning it out.
Satya, I just wanted to say, like you say, there will be different. You can say databases are there with respect to groceries is something different, food grains is something different, probably menswear is going to be something different, and accordingly you pick it with the pilot study or the research, then you pitch in the
Mhm.
advertisement. This is what
Yes, sir, yes,
in glimpse what you are talking about. But
yes, yes.
the objective will remain as it is, right? The objective is increase the sale or increase the brand value of the Uttam deal. See, this is what we discuss in
Yes.
the classrooms. Yeah, what will be the
Mhm.
objective in total? I mean, or is it different? Like it is altogether. I mean, it happens.
Okay. Sir, actually, when we come into advertising sector and also what we think is first we want to build up our brand values.
True.
First, we want to build up our brand instead of getting business or something. People have to know what is Uttam Deals. They
Okay.
have to go through it, like what all products they have, what range of products that they have.
Mhm.
Like usually I used to get a calls from customers like, sir, ನಮ್ದು ಬಾಜು ಅಂಗಡ್ಯಾಗ ಇದು ಜೋಳ 44 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದ್ರದಾಗ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. So
True.
I
True.
used to tell them
Oh.
that the quality, what you get it from a local vendor, like
True.
beside to your house, 44 rupees, what you are getting, the quality of grains, and if you match with our quality of grains, we assure that
Hmm.
the quality and the services, we assure them like we give a perfect whatever you are going to see it on our website. We are going to get you are going to get a same product, same quality, same product, and clean product. And we are not charging you any delivery charges or anything into it. If you order by sitting one place, if you are going to order it, you are going to get it in your doorstep. So this is how we used to engage the customers. Like um, we build up our brand value, and also at last the customer will accept it.
Mhm.
So instead of getting a business, we want to build up our brand value. So
True.
once we build up our brand value, business automatically business will happen. So
You mean to say
as I said, like
your objective of the
Mhm.
Uttam Deals is branding right now?
Right now, yes, sir.
Okay, branding, and you are giving the proposition of what is the value you are going to get for the deal, right? And the
Yes,
name,
yes,
very well, the name is said Uttam deal. That means you are going to get the best deal in the world. That's what
yes, sir,
exactly you are
yes,
trying to do that.
yes.
Okay. Before,
If
yeah,
any
please. Yeah, please.
if anyone say if anybody wants to purchase any electrical gadgets, they say about Amazon. If
True.
anybody wants to purchase something dress or something, they say Myntra.
True.
Anyone who wants to get like household products or something, they say Flipkart and all.
True.
So just we want to make it like if they think about the grocery or something, they have to first of all they have to get a name of Uttam Deals into their mind.
True.
So these all things, Amazon, Flipkart, like they are doing the same thing. So
Mhm.
as I said, Flipkart, they came up before starting up their business. They came up with this one, mm, like Mahabazar or something. They came up
Okay.
like
Okay. Yeah.
1 rupee pen drive and
True. True.
सबसे
True.
सस्ता बाजार.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Subsystem.
सबसे सस्ता बाजार. They came up like
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
didn't they didn't done any business like they didn't got
They
any
were under
businesses.
huge
They
loss. They
didn't.
were under huge loss in
Yeah.
terms of, yeah.
Before they were and like they are building up their brand value like
True.
Flipkart. Now people started like Flipkart. Okay, pen drive. If I want to purchase a pen drive, yeah, we will go to Flipkart and we will order from the Flipkart itself. So
True.
this is how they are going to do the business.
Okay. Okay. Now, before we continue, I just wanted to give the message to each and everybody. This will going to be end by next 10 minutes, and we are going to have another session. You need to quickly log in for that. Okay. Yeah. Satya, there are set of questions are there from the audience. Can we take it or shall we
Uh-huh.
continue? One or two
Sure, sir.
questions, we'll
Sure.
just take it. Yeah, Srividya.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Srividya, can you ask the question to Satyanarayana?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Satyanarayan. How are you?
Hello. Yeah, Abhija. I'm good, doing good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I had a question regarding one of the case.
Mhm.
Have you heard that recently GeoMart came into the Hubli?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the competition is very much high, right?
True.
And they will provide for sanitizer plus mask as a free for first customer. For example, when they log in, when they do first purchase, they will get the
Mhm.
free like sanitizer and mask.
Okay.
So don't you
Mhm.
think it will hamper your sales?
See, like as JioMart is doing the business like right now, so you just take an example of Jio, in telecom industry. What they did is they supply a free SIM card, free data, free calls, everything, and later on they charge like anything now.
Mhm.
Everyone, people are leaving Jio and switch back to Vodafone, Airtel or something. So this is the
Yeah.
same kind they are going to do the business now.
Mhm.
First of all, they are going to attract the customer by keeping very less, less
Price.
amount products, price. Even they are giving like home delivery for 30 rupees product.
Mhm.
Like this is how they are doing the business. We are sure that people will get into with quality product, or people will they don't what I can say go with some, like, for a short period of time they will switch to Geo or something, Geo Mart or something.
Yeah.
After that they are going they will surely they will recover their losses by putting heavy charges on the customer once they get into this loop with a Geo or something. For sure people
Mhm.
will come back with whatever services we are giving right now. So
Mhm.
right now they are into like big fish, what I can say, like they have a lots of money, they are doing it. Losses they will never care about it. But for sure those whoever right now they are investing, it's not a loss. We can't say that it's a loss. We can say it as a investment what they are doing right now. In future, in coming days, they will soon they are going to recover it.
Yeah, I can understand that as your company and GeoMart, both are in introduction stage, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So I think that it will definitely hamper your sales also. It's
Yeah,
just
it will.
due to it is a starting line which I'm observing.
Hmm.
So I think it will definitely the customers will attracted by the Geo. And
Hmm.
what I'm saying is you can go for other benefits for the customers like giving much more offers which they are which is not similar like the Geo. You can do something unique so that you can attract more customers.
Yeah,
Um,
that's why.
yeah, I'll take it from here.
That.
What exactly Vikram is asking in line with whatever the discussion is going on. Satya, there is
Mhm.
a question from Vikram Gaonkar. What he is asking is there any
Mhm.
plans are there to take over this competition is there, whether it is a Geo
Mhm.
Mart or anybody else? Is there any aggressive
Mhm.
way you are going to attack them, or you have your own strategies to take care of your products?
Yes, sir. We say, we are right now we are working for local se vocal, sir. We
Okay.
are giving more opportunities for local vendors.
Okay.
So, we have a trend, like in our city, we have a trend like people are supporting for local people, like according, like as now Prime Minister called as a local for vocal. People are thinking for to support our local vendors. The
Okay.
same thing what we are doing right now, like maximum times what we are doing, we have gave a maximum opportunities for local vendors, like it might be for oil company or something, some other, like scoping for startups, everything. So
Okay.
on this what we are doing is we are working for our national country, national also. So like
Okay.
as I mentioned it in our Within Deals About page, now contribution, yeah, we are including customers into our national services, like contributing 2 rupees from customers.
Okay.
Add on to that, two customers, add on to that 2 rupees, we are going to donate 2 rupees, and 4 rupees will be going to offer it for Army Mart like kids and all.
Okay.
So when these all things will come into picture, automatically people will think to support for such things instead of making money or something like the Jio what is doing right now.
Yeah.
We have so many sources we can get compete with them if we try to convince our customers that we are doing such kind of business and we are including you for such good causes and all,
Okay.
people will come to our side and they will give a business to us.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Any other question we can take before we close this part of this session? Any other question? Yeah, Nitin, you wanted to ask one question, please. Nitin.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Hello Nitin.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Satya sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. You can call me Satya, no problem.
Yeah, sir. So nowadays for groceries, JioMart, Zomato, Swiggy, and also Flipkart, these all people are selling groceries, sir, and
Yeah.
also essential products, sir. So
Hmm.
what's your strategy, sir, to compete with them, sir?
See, first of all, customer require like in Hubli Dharwad, we have a customer study like customer more about the quality and all. Customer think about the pricing. So we are like we price the pricing. Actually, the Uttam is what we are giving to the like services to the customer. We are offering them a good quality service and the pricing too. We are maintaining both the both we are managing both of them to get them with a minimum price we are going to give them a best quality product. Like as I said, we got tab with the manufacturers so that it won't whatever you are going to purchase it from offline stores. If you are getting a oil can for 560 rupees from the manufacturer, you are going to get it like the same product you are if you are going to purchase it from offline, you will get it for 660 rupees. So 100 rupees, what you are extra paying for it, that 100 rupees we are reducing it and we are giving them a good product at a minimum prices. That makes that attracts the customer more than like Flipkart and Amazon what they are doing it. And basically in the local like in Hubli Dharwad, we are giving within day services like order if you are going to order at 9 or something, the product will be at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock at your doorstep. The speed services what we are giving that attracts more to the customer.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nitin, we are again
Yes,
switch
sir.
back once again. I'll just close this session, Satya, with your
Yes.
permission. And all of you, please
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
log in back. This is a limitation of the situation. I'll just log out. Please join back once again with the same login ID. Okay, we'll take the same questions again.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, as I understand, Chetan, Arjun, Vikram, Vishnu, and probably Shweta is also having a question. We'll take this question and we'll close for the day. Okay. Yeah, Satyanarayan is welcome back, Satyanarayan ji, and we are going to have the set of questions. More questions are there. I'll quickly take Arjun. Will you ask the question to the resource person?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Mr. Satya. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, is this Uttam Deals have their own brands or they are selling with open grocery, sir? Like India Gate, Ashirwad.
Okay. When we come up into India Gate or Ashirwad, like we are, as I said, like we are into startup. So if we are going to get a tie-up with the India Gate or something like brands or something, uh, first they will check out with our hits and everything. So After we are getting a website hits or something, they are going to pitch in into our website. So without their permission, we can't post their brands on our site. If we are going to post it like without their permission or something, if something goes wrong, so if the customer is going to file a case against IndiaGate or something, IndiaGate will straight away tell that we didn't give any permission to display our products on Uttam Deals. Without our permission, they displayed their products on our products on uttamdeals.com. So we are not responsible for it. So it will be an illegal case against our uttamdeals.com. So without their permission, we can't upload like anything on Uttam Deals. So whatever we uploaded, like recently we got a tie with Mom, Meals of the Movement. So we got on bond everything. We just took a written document from them. Like we don't have any issues to display our products on uttamdeals.com. And whatever responsible, like if anything happens to customer or something, we are the responsible for it. Just we taken a written document or we created a bond on it, and we have a terms and conditions. On that terms and conditions, they have signed it, and whatever their terms and conditions are there, we have signed it. By this, the tie will happen in between us.
Okay, Satya, we
One
have
more question, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, please.
So yesterday I saw in your website that Team Sona Masuri Bath is there is a no option for
Yeah.
buy or add to cart, sir. Is this any bug of website?
No. Actually, the whatever advertisement you say, like add to cart or something, it was out of like stock. Once we refill our stock or something by the vendor, so he will intimate us that this product was out of stock and today it is in stock. If they inform us, we are going to show it add to cart or something. Check out.
Wonderful,
Okay.
Arjun. Wonderful, Arjun.
Like we have some like
Yeah, please go ahead.
yes.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
Like we have we used to take a databases from the vendors, like if rice packet rice what about you said about the steam Sona Masuri and all, we used to take a database from them, like we have he will give us a database. So as steam Sona Masuri I have a 20 bags, and Jeera rice we have a 15 bags. If 20 customers will take all the stocks from the Sona Masuri or something, if it goes to zero, automatically the cart button will go off. So
Okay.
this is how we have designed it.
We were talking about advertisement, Satya, and there is one more question. Every time advertisement
Huh.
will connect with CSR also, corporate social responsibility. On this, there is a
Sure.
question from Vikram. We'll listen to Vikram and let us understand what is his query. Vikram, over to you.
Sure.
Yeah, Vikram. Vikram, are you there?
So maybe he's facing some network issue.
Yeah. He is facing some network issue. Yeah, Nitin, you can ask your question.
Huh.
Yeah, Nitin. Nitin, you had a question, please.
Yes, sir. I asked it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, in previous section, I asked it, sir.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, Vishnu, I missed out. Vishnu, you said you have a question, please.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Very good evening, Vishnu.
Yes, actually, I have a question from customer perspective, sir. Because I have visited your site, and you people are offering a particular product categories. So will it not affect on the consumer buying behavior? Because as there are a limited product category, they not switch on to the other websites for providing an whole sort of product.
Okay. Actually, getting up into so many products, if you are going to keep a limited products, we used to we get observation like the product quality, everything will be observed very particularly. So yeah, the whatever you said, like so many websites provide so many categorized products or something. Yeah, we are into startup, and we are giving more opportunities to vendors like come and tab with us, but we are going up with slow steps, taking slow steps or something like. Uh, we personally go to the vendor shop. We used to check the product, whether the product is like whatever we are going to serve to the customer. The product, grain, size, quality, everything should be very good quality of products to be served. So if we are going to get like any defects or something while checking the product, so we are not going to get tagged with the vendors. So few people are very much interested to get into e-commerce sector. Few people won't they won't entertain us, because it might be like they have some like what I can say. It might be like they are not so much well versed with the e-commerce because of their education or something. They won't trust for e-commerce or online sectors and all. So this is another problem what we are facing into. Like few people will be get ready to serve their products on e-commerce side, but the product quality, everything has to be matched according to our what I can say, our perception or something. So if you are not going to get a quality product, or if anything like it's not so good, clean product or something, we are not going to get tired with them. So this is what we are doing. But few e-commerce sites, what I'm talking about, some few e-commerce running up into Hubli and Dharwad. So people used to ask that the product what you are serving, it's not similar to those products what they are serving that this करके. So we just justify them the quality what we are giving, ma'am. You just stay and like look after into it. If any defects happen, you just call us. Our delivery person will come and take it off. So yeah, somewhere like so many product like other e-commerce sectors who got tired with so many products or something, they are somewhere lag behind with the quality and services. And whatever the quality like keeping limited product, and whatever the quality what we are giving up to the customer, they are 100% satisfied with our products and all. Soon done. What we are going to do is we are designing our this one what I can say, comment box or something. So whatever, like it will be viewed by all, the one who is who all visiting to our website. They are going to they are going to get an opportunity to see all the comments, whether it will be good or bad. We are going to be like mirror. If the customer is going to comment the product is very bad, we are going to showcase that also in comment box, so that the one the whoever is going to come up in our website or something, they will get to know what we are serving, and it will be very clear to them whether to go with our site or they don't want to go with us.
Okay. Satya,
Thank you. And I have one more question, sir.
yeah, please.
Please ask.
Yes, sir. So, as per you, which mode of advertising is better for your site? Is it organic or inorganic? Would you like to spend more money on advertising, or how is it?
See, when it comes to advertising sector, you have to step in with both organic and unorganic, both the things. You have to spend money for it. Like with free advertisement, you are not going to get any customers from like social networking. Facebook is one kind of platform where they are very much keen interested to earn money like anything. Like what they do is. Now, if you are like suppose you have a e-commerce sector or something, if you are going to showcase up, like you say, I have more than 5,000 5,000 plus friends on my Facebook account, so I can show my products to all those people. So you post your advertisement, you thinking that your advertisement is going to reach all 5,000 people, but Facebook is very clever, and they are like uh, they won't show your product to all 5,000 people. It will show only less than 10%
Yeah,
people, only more than
cutoff will be
400
there.
or 500
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So this is how Facebook is into. If you want to spend money on your advertisement, it will show your advertisement more than your friends list. So this is how they do like advertising sector. If you want to get into in such things, you have to spend money on it. And as per compared to other countries, Facebook marketing is very less in India. Your basic advertisement starts from 50 rupees or 60 rupees something. I started with my advertising from 80 rupees from Facebook. This
Yeah,
is
Prem.
how
Yeah, there is a question towards the same thing. Now, one is we need to reach the advertisement to the many people. At the same time, which I was telling about, there is a student called Vikram. He wanted to ask you, is CSR also going to play a big role in this? If it is the case, is there any financial funding will be there? How exactly? Will the bank will help you? If at all you are thinking about CSR, maybe I wanted to give something to the national wide matriarchs or something like that. How the funding will go to happen? Is the company takes care of it or any financial aids?
Yes, sir. As I said, like what we are doing is into like if any customer is going to like one person XYZ person orders something from our portal, uttamdeals.com. Our delivery boy will take the product to them and they will deliver the product to them. And while receiving the money, you have a cash on delivery. While receiving the money, he says, "Sir, do you, sir or ma'am, do you like to donate 2 rupees for army martyred people? Add on to you 2 rupees. The company is going to pay another 2 rupees. Yeah, add on to like 4 rupees. It will be contributed to army martyred people. If that person will be like okay with that, if that person is ready to pay 2 rupees, for that 2 rupees, we are going to put a 2 rupees on it. 4 rupees will do it,
Okay.
and we mentioned the name of the customer, like he donated 2 rupees for Army Martyred Nidhi Fund.
Okay.
So for time being, like till it gets success or something, we have to depend upon our own pockets
Okay.
instead depends on bank or something. So once we are like here, like we acquire so many customers, if we are going to reach so many customers or something, automatically bank financial fundings will start to interfere into it. Like instead of saying banks or something, like big business tycoons like investors, they will invest into your business. Like
Okay. Okay.
you are doing like for example, we can take about Ratan Tata. What he will do is some startups which is like which are helping for any causes like street dogs or something. They donated something for it.
Okay.
So Ratan Tata have invested on their business, and this is how it happens.
Things will happen.
So
Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
CSR will play a big role in business things too, as well as it will get the customers, it will help for country too, and it will attract more investors to invest into your business.
Okay. Satya, a few more questions are there.
Yes.
Yeah, Prem, are you there?
Sure, sir, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Chetan. Chetan, I can ask you a question.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Sir, good
Hi,
evening, sir.
Chetan Kumar. Hi,
Good evening,
very
sir.
good evening, Chetan. Yeah, Chetan,
Sir,
yeah,
the
please
question is
tell me.
regarding about the establishment of the structure retail outlet or the selling of the products in the market.
Okay.
As we can find out that the products are too less in the structure retail outlets as compared to the normal retail outlets. Even the distributors get the same price, and the structure retail outlets sell at the same price. So this kind of a strategy is used to establish in the market or to establish ourselves in the market by selling the lower prices and increase the prices when we are settled down in the market. What kind
Yeah,
of a
very,
strategy? This kind of a, sir.
yeah. When I'm talking about the e-commerce sector, like what we are doing is when we step into a market, like in markets, like marketing in these all sector, what we do is whatever the prices we are getting it from the vendor, we are posting it without any profit or something. We are posting it on our website. Like it has to be like very less or something, so that the customers will attract more. Like as I said in the previous session, like one of the customer called me and said, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಜುಕ ನಮಗ 44 ರೂಪಾಯಿದಾಗ ಜೋಳ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜೋಳ ಐತಿ, 6 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಫರಕ್ ಐತಿ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? The quality what we like explain them, that play a big role into it. Like I said, pricing is a more important to attract the customer. In Hubli, in such places like Hubli Dharwad, they are very cautious about the pricing and all. If you are selling more than 1 rupees beside to your store, like storekeeper or something, they will 100% they will question on it. So according to the pricing, you have to explain them. You can just check it out in our website. Like if you click on our website, like in our website product, you will get complete details of the product, what type of product it is, what is the uses of that product, each and everything information will be given. If you are consuming this product, what all changes you can see to your body, what affects to your body, these all content, these all things will be shown, and it will be written in both language, Hindi and Kannada, so that it will showcase you what type, like customer will get attract to it. So pricing plays a major role into in e-commerce sector. Like I said, like the product pricing variations, what we used to suffer. Like I said, that 44 example, Jowar example, and so first of all, what you have to do is you have to think that you are investing into business. Keeping the same price, expending 10 rupees more than like from your pocket, putting 10 rupees more than from your pocket. You have to think that you are investing into it as a startup. And further, once you get a grip on it, you can play with your prices. Like once customer will get to know about your quality of the products, what you are serving, and then whatever the price you are going to offer them, they will purchase it blindly like anything. So first of all, you have to keep a prices like keep a prices very low to attract the customer. Once they get adequate with it, then they will be in your what I can say loop.
Okay. Satya, we have one last question maybe for the session. I have taken a lot of time of yours. Shweta Malgi, you can ask the question.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shweta, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Satnarayan. I'm Shweta. I'm currently I'm a housewife. Okay, I reside in Delhi. I'm a very much big basket customer. Okay. Before, when it was a lockdown, I used to buy everything from a big basket, and I started feeling like the vegetables were not fresh. Okay, even I used to get, whenever I wanted tomatoes in a local, I used to get a hybrid, and I used to face some problems, but I was not having any option. Like I used to get it from everything from the big basket. Okay, so now it is lockdown is over and the market has been opened, everything is done. Okay, I have started buying vegetables from the means on the street, where where we used to buy it before. So don't you think you are in a introduction stage, as well as you are doing lots of efforts, you are putting lots of efforts for your company? Don't you think is it going to means it will be threat for you? Means when the market has been opened for everything,
challenge.
Okay? So we have started means we have started buying all things from the market now. No, we are not bothering much COVID. Okay, it is usual. The India has come to the usual stage,
normalcy.
So people are thinking still we have to buy or not or something, but people have opened up their space. So don't you think it will be threat or opportunity for you, or it will be what you want to do with this? So I know some people are not so opened up in a Hubli Dharwad for the online marketing, especially for vegetables. Okay,
True.
And even for a grocery also. How we are going to deal with this?
Satya, I'll just continue what Shweta is telling. Satya, I just wanted to say, like, what she is telling is, beyond Shah Rukh Khan's support, big basket is not doing, and how Satya will going to manage it? This is the question actually. Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. As I said, sir, like our most customers are age customers, 30 plus, or most customers what we are getting it from through online is around 50 plus or something. Still in Hubli Dharwad market, people have a threat of getting into this one crowd or something. So maximum like 50 plus customer, 50 aged category people used to get into online sector and also. And as
So I'm sorry to
Mr.
interrupt. Okay,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
as I reside in a Delhi, I don't see people on
Uh,
the road. Okay, I when I came to
hmm,
Karnataka on August, I was very much
hmm.
scared by seeing Hubli Dharwad. Like people were roaming here and there. I was, but being I stay in Delhi, but I don't see people roaming here and there. Okay, but I was very
Okay.
much scared when I came to Hubli.
Uh,
So don't think
uh,
people have started coming out.
yeah, they started coming out, but in like what category of people like you observe roaming in crowd or something? Have you
All kind of
observed
people.
any category?
Yes,
No.
especially in buses. Okay, especially I'm telling about bus. All kind of people
Okay.
were there. With that too without mask.
Uh,
Which was given
So
by
you
Geo Mark.
cannot say
actually,
people are not roaming.
Which was given by
Uh,
Geo Mark. We got
actually,
where.
right now, the customers, what we are getting it, they are all are from like 50 plus or category, 40 plus or 50 plus category people who are ordering in our online store or something. So maximum, I too went to market and observed everyone, like most category like 30 plus people, 18 to 30 plus people used to get into market or something. So they will visit for something to purchase a small category like getting up tomatoes, small vegetables and all. But when it comes to grocery sector, FMCG products like 25 kg, 5 kg, 15 kg oil or something, they don't want to carry it on their own hands and go. So what they think is we are going to get it from online instead of going to get it offline or get those things. Like being at one place, we are going to order it. It is going to get it to till doorstep. That too, we are offering free delivery ship for the customers. So this is how it is attracting them to get into business. Of course, it's affected us. That's why we shut down our vegetables because in COVID time we used to sell the vegetables. So when day by day it has been market was opening, getting into normal. So people like objecting like this type of products you are like bhaji. This all. ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿದು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲ್ಸಿದ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ we used to get these all challenges from the customers. So at that point of view we stopped our vegetable services and we are only into grocery sector so that people are getting into it like grocery rice packet everything they don't want to carry up into like 25 kg they don't want to hold up and they don't want to take it to their door or something like to their home or something. In one combo product, we are offering 25 kg rice packet, 5 kg jowar or wheat, 5 kg sugar, 5 liter oil, and 250 ml this one coconut oil. These will be the huge package. They don't want to carry it by holding it and from a grocery store to their home. If they are going to order it from their home, we are going to serve it to their doorstep at a free of cost. So somewhere this combo products are playing big role in our market. So this is how it's going on.
Yeah, great, Satya. This is almost 1 hour is done, and we have taken a lot of time. I just said 35 minutes, and it went on. I think Deepak, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Deepak, if you can do the need
Yes,
summary.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
please. Yeah.
Okay. So, hello everyone. I hope all are doing good in such unprecedented times. This is the most difficult moment to speak on as it has an ending. Okay. I would like to thank Mr. Satyanarayan sir on behalf of all the students and GBS for spending your valuable time with us, sir. It was very amazing to have such a great conversation with you. And lastly, to mention, we came to know a lot more about the digital marketing platforms and it uses how you exactly are making use of. Thank you so much, sir. Wish to have you
You're
over
welcome.
again. Yes.
Thank
And
you.
again,
If
I
anybody
would
wants
also
to
like,
Yeah, please,
if
please, Satya.
anybody is interested to, yeah, sir, if anybody is interested to come up voluntarily or wants to work with us, how business happens in e-commerce sector, they can come and interact with us personally, and they can come and work with us also. If anybody is interested, you can get into touch with Varga sir. You can take my number. You can talk to me. No
I'll
problem.
do that. I'll do that. Yeah, Deepak, you can do the
Sure,
remaining
sir.
part.
yes, sir. I would also like to thank all the alumni of GBS for attending this meeting. I hope you all refreshed your memories of college at least by little. And lastly, I would like to thank Dr. Bhargav Revankar for conducting such an amazing show this evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, management of GBS. And I would lastly thank all my peers for attending this
Okay.
session.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak.
Thank
And
you. Thank you,
Satyanaran.
sir.
Yeah, I hope we are going to meet again in the classroom.
Sure.
Probably Shweta and Vidya may not be
Yeah,
there.
sir.
They will also join you as alumni. Hope so. Okay. Yeah. See you there. See you
Sure,
there.
sir. Sure.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I'll close the
Thank you
meeting.
so much, sir. Keep me blessing, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
I'll close the meeting.
Thank you to all.
You can log out. You can log out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Sri Vidya.
It's a pleasure to talk with you after so many days.
True. Okay, so we sign out.
Take care, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.